Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on LG Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote, navigate to the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, inside scroll down to the general, then scroll down again until you see the system, enter it and go for time and timer. Here we'll be able to set our time settings automatically and you can enable or disable it. If you want to do it manually, make sure that it's disabled. That way you'll be able to adjust your time manually as well as the date right here. There's also a time zone that you can change like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.